Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prachi and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle category. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notification every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the products, affordable products using which you can build up your makeup vanity. So without any further ado, let's jump onto the video. Okay, so the very first step is skin prep. So as per your skin type, you can definitely opt for the products that are in the market. So I'm not going to be suggesting products for your skin prep. You can definitely do that step, and after that the first product that we need is a primer. Okay, so to begin our makeup, the very first step that we need to do is prime our face. So one of the primer that comes in affordable category and is really good is Inside Pore Minimizer Primer. Okay, so this is the product and it comes in two sizes. One is 10 ml, which is this one, and one is 30 ml. If you don't use makeup so much, you can definitely opt for this small packaging, and if you use a lot of makeup, so you can definitely opt for the 30 ml package. So this product is really good. It mattifies your skin, gives that matte finish, and it blurs your skin. It retails just for 130 rupees, and even on the sale you can get it for lesser price. Okay, so you can definitely opt for this one if you are building an affordable makeup vanity. So moving on to the next step, it is concealing. So I have this concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. This product is such a nice product. You can definitely opt for this one. It comes in 3 packaging. During the sale I got it for 1400 something, pack of 3. And if you don't want full coverage, you can opt for this one. It comes with this red one or green one, but even if you want to get individually, you can get this one. It retails something for 700, but during the sale you can definitely get it for much lesser price. If you don't want to go full coverage and you want to go for sheer coverage, you can definitely opt for this LA Girl concealer. It is such a masterpiece. So in concealer itself, if you want to go for full coverage, so you can definitely invest in L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. The hype is real for this product. So yeah, if you want to opt for the full coverage concealer, I would highly recommend this concealer. Blindly trust this product and go for it. It's worth every penny. It retails something for 800 or something, but on sale you can definitely get it for 600 or something. It will be one of the things that will be worth investing on. Moving on to the next product, that is foundation. I have foundation from Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, normal to oily. It has SPF 22. This comes in a small tube. If you don't want a very huge product, you don't use very often, you can definitely opt for this one. This is such an affordable product. It retails for something around 300, but definitely during the sale you can get it for 290, 296. It's not a full coverage foundation. This is sheer coverage. So if you're not going for full coverage, you can definitely opt for this one. This is such a masterpiece again by Maybelline. Okay, so in affordable category, this Maybelline foundation is worth investing on. So moving on to the next product, that is setting powder. So I have this product from Mars. It's Mars Trend Setting Powder in the shade Banana. Okay, so you can definitely use this product for baking as well. So yeah, this is such a nice product. Mars is one of those brands that is really nailing these days in affordable category. You can definitely invest on this one. It retails for something 290 or something, so it is definitely a must have if you are building an affordable makeup vanity. Okay, so moving on to the next product, we have blush. And for the blush, I have 2 recommendations from my favorite brands. One is from Inside and one is from Mars. These 2 are such pretty blushes. Okay, firstly let's talk about the Inside one. It's Inside Makeup Essential Blusher. I have got for around 95 rupees. What else do you need if you're getting a blush under 100 rupees? This is such a nice product. You should definitely invest in this one. So many of us are not a very makeup person, or maybe if you are a bride and after getting married you need something to wear on, so you will not definitely opt for the full face of makeup. So you can definitely conceal your under eyes and have some blush, put on some lipstick, mascara and do your brows, and you will be good to go. So you can definitely not get all these products for your vanity. You can definitely opt for 4 to 5 products that you use personally. You don't need to build up such a big vanity. Okay, so this is for those people who are building their complete makeup vanity under a particular budget. The next product I have is from Mars. It is Mars liquid blush in the shade Twilight. This comes in a tube, and again it is such a masterpiece. It blends like a dream. If you don't have budget for this, you can definitely opt for the Insight one. Insight and Mars are nailing these days in affordable categories. So yeah, you can opt as per your budget. Okay, so moving on to the next step, that is contouring. So I have again two products. It is on little high end. Very first product and also my favorite is by K Beauty. It's contour stick. You can definitely use this for the precise work. It works really well and it blends like a dream again. Okay, it retails for something around 700 and definitely during sale you can get it for 600. Okay, so the next product that we have is from Lakme contour stick. It is again a really creamy product for contouring. It again blends really smoothly and gives a really smooth finish. Again, this is a little pricey, so if you don't want to spend so much of money on Lakme one, but obviously you get a lot of product in this compared to that, compared to K Beauty. So yeah, this is also a really nice product. I really love both of them, so I have suggested you guys. So you can definitely opt for any of these products as per your budget and your liking. Affordable eyeliner from Lakme, Insta Liner water resistant eyeliner. So again, this is such an iconic bottle. You might have been seeing so many girls using this. I have been purchasing this one since it retailed for 90, something around that, and right now when I see the price on Nykaa, it is something for 180. So yeah, maybe in the stores nearby you can get it for lesser price. So you can definitely opt for this eyeliner. It gives matte finish and also it is waterproof. And what else you need from an eyeliner when it is so affordable and also waterproof. So yeah, you guys can opt for this eyeliner if you're looking for an affordable option to keep in your vanity. Okay, so moving on to the next product, we have kajal, and I have two kajal. One is in nude and one in black. I have the black one from Nykaa, Rock the Line Kajal, and it's again such a smooth kajal. It glides so smoothly on my eyes. I really like this particular kajal by Nykaa, and it's around 200 or something. You can definitely check it during sale. You can get it for lesser money. Okay, so the next product is from Mars, and again in the affordable category, as we know, Mars is nailing, and the kajal is so creamy. It glides so smoothly on your eyes, and I really love it. You can definitely add this or the black one. If you want both, you can opt for nude from Mars and black from Nykaa. Mars also has different colors, so yeah, you can opt for the color of the kajal that you use mostly. Moving on to the next product, we have mascara, and I have it from Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. And I really like this one under a particular budget. If you are looking for a good mascara, this is a really good one. Retails something around 300 or 400, but during sale you can maybe get it for lesser price. So yeah, this is also trending on number 2 on Nykaa. So you should definitely grab this one if you are looking for an affordable mascara. Okay, so moving on to the next product, we have an eyebrow pencil. So I have from Swiss Beauty. It retails just for 99 rupees, and I don't use any other product to do my brows. I just comb my brows, just line it and fill it, and again comb it, and I am done. So this is such an affordable product. You don't need anything else. This one particular pencil for 99 rupees, and that will make you sorted. Okay, so moving on to the next product that I have is a lip liner from Swiss Beauty. This is such a creamy lip liner. It's just glides so smoothly on your lips. And also from Mars, Swiss Beauty and Mars lip liners are really good. It's really creamy. Both of them are really creamy. You can definitely opt for any one of this. Swiss Beauty one is for 69 rupees, and I think Mars one is around 89 or something. So moving on to the next product, we have lipsticks. I have 4 of them. 2 from Lakme, 1 from Maybelline, and 1 from Swiss Beauty, all under affordable category. Okay, so the most cheapest one is from Swiss Beauty. This one you can definitely get it for around 200. It's in the shade 214 Caramel Pure Matte Lipstick. You can definitely opt for this one if you're opting for a really affordable and cheap lipstick. It's really creamy. It glides so smoothly on your lips. Okay, moving on to the next lipstick we have from Maybelline. Again, this is such a creamy lipstick. It again glides so smoothly on your lips. If you don't want to go for Swiss Beauty brand, you can definitely opt for this one. So it is a little pricier than the Swiss Beauty one. So you can definitely choose for one of these. This is much creamier than the Swiss Beauty one. So yeah, you can opt accordingly. Okay, so moving on to the next lipsticks. These are a liquid lipstick but gives you matte finish and it is non-transferable. This one is Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. I have got two in different colors. It's really lightweight lipstick. Whenever you wear it, you won't feel you're wearing anything, but it is a little pricier than both of them. It is around 450, but on sale you can definitely get it for lesser price. Moving on to the next product, we have lip gloss. I have got again two options, one at little pricier and one affordable. The very first lip gloss that we have is from Swiss Beauty again. Swiss Beauty Gloss Me Lip Gloss. It's in transparent shade. I have been using it, so it's no more transparent. So this one is again around 200 rupees. Moving on to the next lip gloss I have from Chambord. This is such a glossy lip gloss, gives really good shine on your lips. So if you want to invest in little higher price lip gloss, you can definitely go for this one. So moving on to the next product, we have eyeshadow. I have one in browns. If you want your palette to have all the nudes browns, you can definitely opt for this one from Nykaa. This is again affordable. It is around 400 or 500. During sale you can get it around 400. So yeah, this is a really good option. If you always wear browns or nudes on your eyes, you can invest in this one. This is an affordable option and has really good pigments also. Okay, so moving on to the next product I have from Mars. It is Mars Eye Scan Kill Eyeshadow Palette. It comes with 63 gorgeous eyeshadow colors. So if you are someone who is big on makeups, does different eye colors, you can definitely invest on this one. It comes with really good pigmented eye colors. Moving on to the next, we have highlighter, and I have highlighter from Swiss Beauty. It is Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter. So yeah, this comes around 250, 300 something. You can definitely invest in this one if you're building an affordable makeup vanity. This is a good highlighter, comes in different shades. So you can definitely use this one. When you can use this highlighter and mix in oil to make body shimmer oil, what do you call? So yeah, you can use these highlighters if you're not able to finish it in long run. Moving on to the next product, we have eyelash, and I have eyelash from Mars again. It's 01 OG Princess. It is again an affordable product, retails for 99 rupees. So yeah, you can definitely grab one. The next product, we have setting spray, and I have from MAC the mini version. This is little on the pricier end, but if you're wearing good makeup and you want that to be on place for a longer time, you definitely need a good setting spray. If you want to go for a bigger bottle, you can definitely increase your budget. I am recommending this one because this is such a nice product. You can use this one even to prep and also for your setting. So it does both the work. So it is worth the hype and worth the price. Okay, so if we are applying a lot of makeup on our face, so we also need to remove it, and for that we need makeup remover. So I have got these two big bottles from Garnier. It's Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Cleansing Water, Micellar Cleansing Water and Oil all in one. So this one I use when I am wearing waterproof makeup. You can definitely get the small bottles if you don't use makeup on regular basis. Micellar Cleansing Water from Garnier is such a nice product under an affordable category. So yeah, you can definitely opt for that. Okay, so I have also got these two cleansing pads from Earth Rhythm. So cotton pads we use and throw, but these are reusable. So this costed around 290. So we can reuse this. So this is much affordable. So instead of investing in cotton pads, you can definitely get these pads and you will be good to go. Okay, so moving on to the next product, I have a blender. This is from Sigma. This comes in this particular shape. It's really dirty right now, please. I have invested in this one. It was around for 700 or 800, so that I can use it for blending my foundation, contouring from this side, and also for the blush particular application. This works really nice. You don't need any brush. You can invest in one blender. Obviously it doesn't give that precise application as the brush, but I feel it's worth the money and it's worth investing instead of investing in so many of expensive brushes. This one will do good work for you. Okay, so moving on to the next product, I have these two mini blenders from PAC. This was around for 200 or 300, I don't remember exactly. I will definitely mention the price or put up the link in the description box so you can definitely check it out. So this is for the areas where your big blender doesn't reach, and this is such a nice product. I have been using it for more than a year and nothing has happened. It's still intact. You can definitely invest in these two mini blenders. So that is it for the affordable makeup vanity collection. So if you are looking for the options or recommendation, you can definitely opt for the options that you love and add it in your vanity. And also, if you're not a big makeup girly, you just use few products, you can, and want to get some products in the affordable category, you can get your blush, eyebrow pencil, mascara, lipstick, lip liner, just few products and you'll be good to go. And also if you're a bride to be and you want a little small makeup vanity, you can pick up the options from this and build up your small vanity and you will be good to go. Okay, so that is it for the video, guys. I hope you really like the video, and if you like it, please make sure you like this video, comment down below and share it with your friends, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.